Today at CKRT we are taking a look at the M1601KZ. This is a Kit Carson design. He designed it in Kentucky for everyday carry, and just a great little pocket knife. The overall length on it is 7 1/8 inches. The blade length is right at 3 inches. You can see it's got a black EDP finish on it there, as well as a spear point style blade. Now this knife has a locking liner as well as our auto locks feature right here. So to close the knife, simply pull down on that red tab, push over with your thumb, remove your index finger, and close the knife. So it adds one layer of security. Basically it sets a set pin up against that locking liner so that it doesn't come undone if you get grit, lint, that sort of thing in there. So again, to close it, simply pull down on that red tab, push over with your thumb, and close the knife. It's fairly easy to use, one-handed, and it adds that added layer of security to your knife. To open this blade, it has this flipper right here. Just put your index finger on there and open it right up. The handles are glass-filled nylon. They're very grippy in hand, but not too grippy. They're not going to chew your pocket up or anything like that, and they're comfortable. This has a one-position pocket clip on it. It is tip-down carry only. Here's a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. Let me show you this knife in hand. It's right in that nice length with the blade and also in the handle to just feel comfortable as an everyday carry knife. You've got a little bit of jimping right there on the spine of the blade. Nice and comfortable. Let me show you a shot of this knife compared to a ruler to give you a size comparison. It does come up right at about 7 inches. Just a solid blade, again, designed by Kit Carson in Kentucky. This is the M1601KZ Everyday Carry Folding Pocket Knife. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CKRT.
This is the Schrade SCHA 12B Dual Action Magic Assisted Opening Tactical EDC Knife, one of 4 models in the SCHA 12 series. Quick to deploy, easy to carry, and tough as nails, the SCHA 12B sports a 3 1/4 inch black-coated drop-point blade. The shaving sharp, full fine edge is forged from tough, edge-retaining AUS-8 stainless steel, making it well suited for a wide range of cutting jobs at home, in the shop, on the job, or in the field. Unleash the blade from its protective handle using the Schrade Dual Action Magic Opening System. With blade closed, slide the mode selector. Handle switch up, revealing the M. When the M is showing, the knife is in manual opening mode. Slide the mode selection switch down, revealing the A to engage the Magic Assisted Opening Deployment System. Snap the blade into action using the ambidextrous thumb knobs or finger actuator. To store the blade, slide the patterned liner lock to the side and carefully close the blade into the handle. Contoured bottom finger cutouts conform to the human hand, while spine-side jimping increase stability and leverage. Patterned black handle slabs increase grip and shed moisture in any weather condition, while increasing the visual appeal of this blade. Add a length of cord to the lanyard hole and wrap around your wrist for additional safety. Reverse the rugged steel pocket clip for left or right pocket carry. Fashioned for versatile everyday carry, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHA 12B Dual Action Magic Assisted Opening Tactical Pocket Knife. Find the SCHA 12B in black with full fine edge, the SCHA 12BS in black with part serrated edge, the SCHA 12 in gray with fine edge, and the SCHA 12S in gray with part serrated edge online or at your favorite local retailer.